How did Japan remain isolated from the world before 1853?
Okay, probably two. The most one of the main reasons are they wanted to become isolated. They were like a magician's casket in which all their tricks are hidden.
So it was intentional.
Yes, it was intentional. They did not want anybody to be in they did not want anybody to be in Japan.
Why
Especially the barbarians, the so-called barbarians, who in fact are more civilized than them. And probably too because of it where it is. It is in here. I mean, yes,
Where's
it has
Japan?
many neighboring countries, but I learned in my book, in a Marco Polo book, that there is a reef in Japan which usually destroys ships before arriving into Japan. Usually Chinese ships, since the Chinese are the ones most interested in conquering Japan. But all of the times they failed. Usually destroyed by the Japanese or destroyed by the Japanese coast. Second is that they're far from civilization. Look, it's very far. There. It's very far. It's considerably far from Europe and the United States, the other civilized countries. One of the first countries of the first country in Western civilization who came to Japan was the United States of America. They traveled all the way from here to Japan. It was actually because many people now saw the how great Asia was. They suddenly turned to China, where Marco Polo told the country Marco Polo told of. At first, nobody believed the wonders, but now it was right before them. And since Britain had already had India and was slowly, and many European countries were being friends with China, US turned its eyes to Japan. At first, Japan wouldn't agree, but when she saw the warships of the Americans did not want to make war, but they heard of Japan attacking ships that came near, so for extra security, they brought their warships, which frightened the Japanese, causing them to open their gates. At last, many Europeans came to Japan. They saw how beautiful it was. It was full of flowers, from the poorest man's hut to the emperor's palace. But now the magician's casket was opened unwillingly. And that's all. But even though it was opened unwillingly to the barbarians, they soon saw that they themselves were the barbarians and not the people they called barbarians.
So how did they remain isolated?
They isolated themselves. They did it intentionally. And they fought off any people who came near their shores.